All right, guys, in this video, we're gonna go over shrinking the rear window with the 3M felt card. This is very similar to the hard card method, but it's a lot more forgiving because this soft material, if there's a grain of sand or something hard under the glass or under the film on the glass, it won't tear the film because it'll simply just glide over it. So there's no hard card here, it's just a compressed felt card. So it's literally gonna be the same method. So I'm just gonna let you guys watch me do it. I'm gonna point out a few things that you may have to do differently with this compared to the hard card, but let's get right into it. We have the H pattern laid out. We have the film rough cut with the glass aid on there. We're gonna put the heat gun on high and go at it. So we'll start at the sides and then work our way in 2-inch increments. Making sure we're heating from the top to the bottom and not in the center. In the center meaning from here rather than here. And just working our way across, making sure the film is shrinking vertically and not horizontally. And you can be a lot more aggressive with the felt card compared to the hard card because you don't have to worry about the card tearing into the material from hitting something harsh underneath it. Starting from the side again, and then working our way across the top. Coming to the back and working our way in. And then once you get to this 1-inch last section, you can work from the center towards you and towards you to the center. Being sure not to overheat the material. Pushing it out nice and evenly. And the last section. Start on the side. Work your way in at 2-inch increments. You can be a little bit more aggressive on this last section. And that's it, your film is ready to be cut out on the glass aid. This was a short video. The next video is gonna be heat shrinking with the Kevlar glove in combination with the felt card. So when you're shrinking with the Kevlar glove, we'll get into the details of why you'll need this hard card, felt card as well. You can also use the gold hard card, but this would be considered a hard card. So you need the Kevlar glove and a hard card when you're shrinking with the Kevlar glove. Let's get into that video next.